In today's tutorial, we'll take a step forward by adding a brand new page to our Pokémon app. This will give us a dedicated space to show favorited Pokémon. Let's get started. So we're going to create a new folder within the app directory called Favorites. And within this Favorites folder, we're going to create a JavaScript file called page.js. And this will store our code. So here's the code for our app. Make sure I got all of it. A couple things to note here. If there's no list saved, here we create an empty array. And also if there is an empty array, if favorites is an empty array, we display you have no favorite Pokemon yet, rather than obviously a list of favorited Pokemon. Now it's time to test. In our command prompt window within the project directory, we'll run npm run dev. So within the browser window, you'll want to go to http://localhost port 3000/favorites next. And if you have any favorite Pokemon stored, you should see those. Otherwise, you should see the message that you have no favorited Pokemon. Great work. You've successfully created a favorites page for your Pokemon app. Next time, we'll link this page to the rest of the app and style it to make it look great. Stay tuned.